Hi, welcome back to the Joy of Painting. With me, not Isaac. Today we're going to be painting a happy little winter scene. Me. First we're going to mix some bright yellow with some bright red. Once you did that, you're going to make a happy little sun. Oh God. So once you made your happy little sun, you're going to, I don't know what you do next. You're going to make some happy little X's all around your little sun. So next you're going to add some of the phthalo blue to your red and white mix, and you're going to gently add it around. A nice little purple color. Let's add some darkness, shall we? Add a little gray up to the top. Let's do some finger painting. You want to take a little titanium white on your finger and just make a happy little circle in the middle of your sun. So now we're going to make a happy little mountain. So we're going to push down. We're going to do just pull down. Just like that. Now let's add some winter and make some snow on these mountains. You can get some white. Now we're going to take some lavender and add some happy little trees right over here. It may not look like trees, but trust me, it is. So we're just going to take our, whatever size brush this is, and pull down. Just like that. So now, we're going to add some happy little snow areas in our forest. So happy and snowy. You're just going to make a line down, and some little crissy-crossies. Let's add some little bushes down here at the bottom. Now we're going to make a little ground here at the bottom. It's going to be a bit of a challenge because of the easel, but we can do it. Oh, no, maybe we can't. I'm going to add a little more blue bushes right here, going across. Okay, now let's add little white highlights to our monstrous blue bush mess. This is looking like a finished painting. I'm sorry. Don't forget, happy painting and God bless.